All right, good morning. Let's grade your homework from yesterday. If I go too fast on this video, you can pause, stop, rewind, and listen to something again. All right, question 1. 0 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 4, and 3 plus 4. Sideways 0 up to 4, sideways 1 up to 5, sideways 2 up to 6, sideways 3 up to 7. Connect with arrows. Question 2. 2 times 0 plus 4. 2 times 1 plus 4. 2 times 2 plus 4. 2 times 3 plus 4. 0, 4, 1, 6. Oops, that's not 1, 6. 1, 6, 2, 8, 3, 10. Connect with arrows. Question 3. 0 times negative 2 plus, negative 2x plus y. That isn't right. Negative 2x plus 4. That's a 4. 4. Okay. So, 0 times negative 2 is 0, plus 4. Negative 2 times 1 plus 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 times positive 2 plus 4. Negative 2 times 3 plus 4. 0, 4 is that dot. 1, 2 goes right there. Sideways 2 down to nothing. 3, negative 2 goes right there. Question 4. 0 times 8 minus 10. 1 times 8 minus 10. 2 times 8 minus 10. 3 times 8 minus 10. I can already tell you this one's going to go off my graph, so I'm not going to have space for that one. 0, negative 10. 1, negative 2. 2, positive 6. 3 would be at 14, and I don't have space for that one. Okay, question 5. 0 minus 9. 1 minus 9. 2 minus 9. 3 minus 9. 0, negative 9 is down here. 1, negative 8. 2, negative 7. 3, negative 6 are those dots right there. Okay, question 6. 3 times 0 plus 5. 3 times 1 plus 5. 3 times 2 plus 5. That's going to go off my graph. 3 times 3 plus 5 is also going to go off my graph. So pause, and I'm going to get rid of this graph and get a different one. All right, now I can graph 0, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 8. 6, 7, 8. 2, 11. And 3, 14. So connect with arrows. There you go. Question 7. 3 times 0 minus 5. 3 times 1 minus 5. 3 times 2 minus 5. 3 times 3 minus 5. So my first dot is at 0, negative 5. That's down here. 1, negative 2 is right there. 2, 1 is right here. And 3, 4 is right there. Connect with arrows. All right, so those are your answers for questions 1 through 7. And this is just extra. We don't need that one. Okay, let's do our quadratic. Tiny 2 makes a U. All right, here we go. Question 8. If I pick 0, 0 squared plus 6, 1 times 1 plus 6, 2 times 2 plus 6. This will be 7 to match that one, and this will be 10 to match that one. So I have a dot at 0, 6, a dot at 1, 7, so there's the match, and a dot at 2, 10, and there's the match. Connect, make it a soft looking U with arrows. Question 9. 0 times 0 minus 6. 1 times 1 minus 6. 2 times 2 minus 6. Then these will match and these will match. 0, 6 is, or 0, negative 6 is right here. 1, negative 5 is here, so the match is there. 2, negative 2 is right here, and the match is there. Soft U with arrows. Question 10. 0 times 0 is 0. Oops, I need a different color. Plus 6. 1 times 1 is 1, but make it negative, plus 6. 2 times 2 is 4, but make it negative. And then these will match, and these will match. So my first dot is at 0, 6. 1, 5 is here, and the match is over there. 2, 2 is right here, and the match is, no, it's right there. Soft U with arrows. And remember in class I said anytime you have a negative in front of X, it's going to be an upside down looking U. Okay, question 11. Starting with 0. 0 times 0 is 0. Times 2 is still 0. 1 times 1 times 2 is 2. Minus 5. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. Minus 5. These match and these match. So these guys are positive 3s. All right, so 0, negative 5 is that dot. 1, negative 3 and its match. 2, positive 3 and its match. Soft U, don't make it look like a V with arrows. Okay, question 12. 0 times anything is still 0, plus 6. 1 times 1 times negative 2, plus 6. 2 times 2 times negative 2, plus 6. So this will match and that will match. 0, 6, 1, 4, 2, negative 2. All right, question 13. 0 times 3 is just 3. 1 times 1 times 3. No, this last one's wrong. 0 times anything is 0 because those can't be the same. All right, and then 2 times 2 is 4 times 3. Oh no, that's going to go off my graph. And this will match and this will match. So you have graph paper. I just have this little chart. I'm just going to go with it. So 0, 0, 1, 3, and 2, 12 would be up here. So then connect with arrows. That's terrible. Connect. Maybe I could do it in pink. Connect with arrows. Soft looking U. All right, last one of this section, question 14. 0 times anything is 0. 1 times 1 times negative 3. 2 times 2 is 4 times negative 3. Oh, that's going to go off my graph. This guy matches and this guy matches. 0, 0, 1, negative 3, and 2, negative 12 would be down here. Okay, let's go back to our worksheet. Old stuff, write the rule. Well, I'm going up by 1, I'm going down by 5, I'm going up by 8. So that gets me started. Y equals x, y equals negative 5x, y equals 8x. Then if I back it up to 0, let's see, if I back it up, this would be a 1. If I back it up, this would be a 45. If I back this one up, well, I really need to do 3 minus 8. So that's a negative 5. Okay, oh, there was another one over here, 18. I didn't see it. Okay, 18, I'm going up by, no, I'm not going up. I am definitely not going up. I'm going down by 4. And if I backed it up, 0, 4, 8, 8 would be in the back. All right, last question says, what is the domain and range for question 12? For question 12, so I'm going to come over here. I write D equals, and then I do brackets, and I either do squared off brackets or normal brackets. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Those are all the X's we picked. The range are all the Y answers. Negative 2, 4, 6, 4. Oh, silly me. I don't need repeats. So we just need negative 2, 4, and 6. We don't need to write those other two again. All right, those are all of your answers for the homework. And raise your hand, tell Mrs. Day that you're done grading, and she will stamp your homework and give you a quiz. Good luck on the quiz.